welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I am here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today I want to tell you about something a little bit unusual that you may or may not have noticed in our catalog, and that is Liquitex Freestyle brushes. This one's a little bit unique, and then it's a synthetic bristle brush. It has several different thicknesses of filament in there, and it has kind of a strangely stiff kind of feel, but it's kind of nice. And they have it in tons of different varieties, shapes, styles, handles, and all that kind of good stuff. But the one I want to show you today is a little bit unusual in that it really doesn't have much of a handle. You can see here that it's basically like ferrule and base and no handle at all. So like if you're familiar with like house painting brushes, this would be perfect for like doing cut in and stuff like that. But I really like the feel of this. I like the different ways you can turn it in your hand and stuff, because it doesn't have a traditional handle. So I wanted to show you a little bit about what this thing does. So granted, this is a huge 3-inch brush. It's about $18.99. But I wanted to show you, can soften this up a little bit with a little bit of water. I'm using Cheap Joe's Prime, really good acrylic here. But you can see how like you can get large swaths of coverage here with this brush, and then just simply turning it easily in your hand and get like a really sharp line, stuff like this, interesting curves and stuff like this with just this one thing. And here I am falling back on my favorite of the colors, which is bronze. You've heard me go on and on about it. I really do love it. It's a beautiful color. And so you can see how different in terms of like how this brush handles than normal, and it's because of the stiffness of the bristle. It's so reactive and has such good snap, pops back to, you know, the shape over and over again that you had. Just really fun, really nice. I like the shape, I like the feel. It's weighted well. So if you haven't tried one, take a look at this. This is kind of different. The new kid on the block, Liquitex Freestyle brushes. Really unique, really nice, and well worth the 18 or 19 bucks investment to try this out. It's fantastic, and we are sure you will enjoy.